Do you know why oceans do not freeze? The salt content in ocean water lowers the freezing point, making it more difficult for the water to freeze. The freezing point of seawater is around -2 degrees Celsius, which is lower than the freezing point of freshwater. The ocean is constantly moving due to tides, waves, and currents. This movement creates friction and generates heat, which makes it difficult for the water to freeze. The sun's energy warms the surface layer of the ocean, which makes it difficult for the water to freeze. The ocean does freeze, but only in the polar regions where the temperatures are consistently below freezing point. Why do aquatic species like fish feel more comfortable in the lakes in winter than in summer? During the winter, the water in the lake becomes colder and denser, which means that it can hold more dissolved oxygen. This increased oxygen availability can be beneficial for fish, as they require oxygen to survive. During the summer months, the water temperature in lakes can increase significantly, which can lead to a decrease in the amount of dissolved oxygen in the water. This can create stressful conditions for fish and other aquatic species, as they may have to work harder to obtain the oxygen they need. Why is glass of window panes of very old buildings found to be thicker at the bottom than at the top? Glass is an amorphous solid which is a supercooled liquid of high viscosity and hence possesses fluidity. It behaves like a liquid but has properties of a solid. Over a long period of time, the molecules in the glass slowly move and settle under the force of gravity, causing the glass to become thicker at the bottom and thinner at the top. This effect is more noticeable in very old buildings with windows that have been in place for many decades or centuries. Do you know? While making ice cream in metal or plastic cones, the ice cream seller puts a mixture of ice and common salt around the cones, and not ice alone. When the ice cream mixture is placed in a metal or plastic cone, it is surrounded by the mixture of ice and salt. This helps to rapidly extract heat from the ice cream mixture, causing it to freeze quickly and create a smooth texture. Additionally, the salt helps to prevent the formation of large ice crystals, which can give the ice cream a grainy texture.